What's up, guys? Nick is here with a new video. So today I'm playing Cat, something like that. Cats, something like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it Cat. It's Cats. So this is like a game where you can like build your tank or like thing, and then you can like destroy other people. I'll show you. So I'm gonna do a quick fight for right now. So see this guy right here? I'm gonna try to get him, and he's getting me. Okay. Yeah. So this is what the whole game is about mostly. And I'm gonna die. The walls close in on you, and then you die instantly. And this is the championship. I'm in second place somehow. Okay. Let's fight. Now we'll see how far I can get. Let's check. Let's check. Yay. Okay, so let's get this guy, or let him get me. I have a drill too, but my thing is more powerful. I don't know why, but last time with my other tank I was winning actually, but now I can't. Oh no, but the walls are closing on him because. So I won one match. Out of 3. 4? Oh, this guy's gonna get. No, maybe I'm gonna get him. No, he's gonna get me. Or is he? No, I'm gonna get him because the walls are gonna close him. Nice. Yeah, he's gonna get me. Yeah, he has a. What's the name of the thing? And even the damage and also the wall is gonna close down. Oh, okay, there you go. Oh no, this guy I'm gonna get. Oh yeah, I'm still gonna get him off. Albert, bye bye. Okay, he's gonna get me. Actually, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna change my tank, make it more like on the floor. Like this isn't a legendary tank, but wait, trying to find a good one. Oh, what about this one? Huh? Yeah, this one. I didn't see that one. So where is it? Right here. Need to put tire. And then this one right here. And then I put this right here. And then it goes to the championship. Now I fight. Okay. Now you might ask, why is this effective? Well, that's all you do. Yeah, you technically just let the wall get them. Or you just get stuck like this. And then just do that. And hope that you get them before the wall gets you. Oh, that was really quick one. Okay. I'm in the middle. And he's gonna die. Win 14 fights and get an instant promotion. Yeah, if I win this, if I get 14 wins, I'm gonna get a laser weapon, and I really want that. That's what I'm trying to get mostly. This is my most powerful one. I had another chainsaw. It was epic. This one is a common, but it's really good. I had a really good common, but the other one was an epic, but it did like extra bonuses, but this one's still stronger. How can this guy, he didn't even attack me, he still got me though. I'll just put that. Okay, what's gonna happen here? Oh, he's gonna get me. Yep, exactly as always. Okay, and I'm just gonna skip that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna totally just demolish him. I won't be able to win because it only gives me a certain amount of matches. Oh, I'm stronger than him. Nice. And I'm gonna win this one. I hope. Maybe. Please. Nope, I'm gonna lose it. Yep, I lost it. Okay, 11. Yeah, I really have to change it. I don't need the, what's the name? Coke bottle thing. but I still got him. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Am I? I died. Am I gonna die here? I don't know. Am I? Yeah, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm gonna change my thing. Oh, I'm in first place. Okay. Just use 9 to open this and see what I'm gonna get. The surfer. I'm gonna use that. Sneaky. I didn't have one. A chainsaw and another one. A drill. Not really that good. Oh, I have to watch it.
Got a new pet egg. Let me incubate. What? 1-star Rocky? Never mind. Fuse it to a better one. Great! 3-star Iron Rocky. Now fuse with 3-star material pets. Damn, failed. My mind said, show me what I'll get if I devour them. Amazing! 5-star Lava Dragon.
Play different. Go idle.
Stars. So, break the egg. That's the worst chainsaw. Disappointing. I have to take this off. And that lost. Wait. This is a sneaky. I got that. What if I get where is it? This. So I like do that. Let me see what is gonna happen now. Is it? Oh yes! Oh yes! 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 Get out of here! Get out! Die! Oh yeah! Yep. This is this. Oh yeah! I'm totally getting that laser. This is the perfect combo. Boom! Destroyed. I'm gonna get you too. I didn't even need to use that thing. Oh yeah, this guy is weak. I can see his hearts and damage up in the corner. See the top, right top, above the fight 7? Yeah, that's where I can tell how much HP. If he has more HP and more damage, I'm gonna lose. But if he has less than me, I'm okay. But sometimes I'm okay even if he has more damage and HP than me. So yeah, cause right here, like, see how we're not even attacking each other? Whoever's closer to the walls will die first. So let's see. I don't know who's gonna die first. So let's check. Or who's gonna die first? Oh, that's gonna be me. First death. Okay, go. Okay, I won. Or died. Or am I? Yeah, I'm gonna die. Oh no, am I? No, I'm not gonna die. If I had that spinning thing on the back, I would win. Oh yes, he got killed by the wall. Oh, I'm gonna get him. He's so low. I mean. Okay, I'm gonna him. He has barely health. He has like about 100 less health than me, but yeah, I'm gonna die into the wall. He was number 1 for a long time on the last leaderboard. Off right now. Oh, I need 3 more. Oh, so I have to win all of them. Oh. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to end the video here because I don't know. Maybe I'm going to make some videos tomorrow. I'm going to grind a bit on this game. And tomorrow I'm going to make a video about this. And also I might make a Fortnite video. I'm going to make a video on this. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video on this tomorrow to see my progress. I got this game today. Like, I reinstalled it today because I got it today because I wanted to play it because I played it a bit on my dad's phone, so I wanted to play it. And then I got like all this good stuff, and yeah, so now I'm gonna play a bit today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys my progress. And hopefully tomorrow I have the laser to show you guys. Okay, guys. See